Uh, Welcome to you all in this online class. Very good morning to you all. Dear students, first of all, we will discuss about the exercise question answer questions. You know all the objective questions, and if you know in your chat box, you will have to write its answer. Which one of the following subjects come under the union list? The correct answer is yes, very good, foreign affairs. Next question is, which one of the following statements about Lok Sabha is correct? There are four options. Which one is very suitable? Yes, last one, money bills can only be introduced in Lok Sabha, right? Next is, which one of the following statement about the Indian Parliament is true? Four options are here. Very good. First option is correct. It is the highest law-making body of India. Fourth question is, which member of Rajya Sabha has a term of each member of Rajya Sabha has a term of 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Very good. 6 years, not 5 years, 6 years. Now, another type of question can be asked, which type of the following persons cannot be the member of Rajya Sabha? First, a person of 30 years, a person of 25 years, a person of both 27 years and none of these. तो ईयर में क्या हो जाएगा? एज में जब ईयर रहेगा 25 ईयर्स के एज के पर्सन मेंबर नहीं हो सकते राज्यसभा की, क्योंकि इसके लिए क्या जरूरी है? हाउ मेनी ईयर्स? 30 ईयर्स. Very good. Your response is very good in your chat box. Now, next question is, each member of Rajya Sabha has a term of 6 years. During Lok Sabha elections, reserved constituencies are meant for. There are four options. D option is no. D option. D option is correct, and it is scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Right? During Lok Sabha elections, reserved constituency are meant for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Next type of question is regarding fill in the blanks. The topmost level of government in India is dash government, central government. Actually, three words can be used to fill this line. First is union, second is central, and third is national. All these three are same. Now next is, in case of disagreement over a law made on the same subject from the concurrent list, the law made by dash prevails over law made by the dash. तो फर्स्ट में क्या होगा? सेंट्रल और यूनियन, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और यूनियन गवर्नमेंट, एंड नेक्स्ट क्या होगा? स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. फर्स्ट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, नेक्स्ट स्टेट government or state law. Next is the principle of dash 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 gives all adult citizens the right to vote. The universal adult franchise, right? The universal adult franchise. Now, कौन है? नीलिमा गुप्ता. You are too fast. I am discussing about the fill in the blanks and you are giving the answer of true false. Don't be so fast. Otherwise you will derail. Take care. Now the President of India is an dash part of the parliament. Integral part. Very good. Aryaditi, Prachi. No, all of you are giving correct answer. Next. Dash represent the people of India and dash represent the state of India. So first, Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha represents the state and Lok Sabha represents the states of India. I'm sorry. Rajya Sabha represents the people of India. No, it is wrong. Lok Sabha represents the people of India and Rajya Sabha represents the state of India. Is it clear? First is Lok Sabha represents the people of India and Rajya Sabha represents the state of India. In this way, this is the correct answer. You have to write. If any of you have the problem, please tell me through your chat box. I will repeat. Have all of you done? If any of you are lag behind in this regard, please tell me. Okay, I think all of you have done. Now next is true false. A governor is a head of the state, whereas the chief minister is the head of the state government. Is it true or false? True. Now, 1 minute. Abhinav Ranjan. Abhinav Ranjan, take care. You have written true. Actually, it is true, but your answer will be wrong. If such a question is asked in the Google form, you have written true. T is small here that you have written. It should be capital. First word should be capital. First letter should be capital and rest should be small. If you will write in all the words in small, all the letters in small way, small letter, if you will use all the small letter, your answer will be declared invalid or incorrect in computer or in your device. So be very prompt. And it is why I have given the instruction in the starting. Now next is, the women are adequately represented in the Indian Parliament. No, false. It is false. There is no adequate, no proper, just representation of women. It is why women reservation bill is in pending. No bill can become a law without the approval of the President of India. True. The chairman of Rajya Sabha cannot vote on any issue in Rajya Sabha. Absolutely correct. I mean true. The Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha enjoy equal power regarding the amendment of the Constitution. Absolutely correct. I mean true. So in this way, these are the facts. Now, rest you have seen. I will not discuss it. Only I am going to remind you some portions are important here. Universal rate franchise. From this part, question can be asked. Who can cast the vote? A person who is 18 years. No. What do you mean by franchise? The term means franchise. Franchise means right to vote. Right? So in this way, all these things. Next is parliament, legislative organ. How many houses are there? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is called the Council of State, upper house. Question आ सकता है आपको, which house is known as upper house, lower house. Since we have discussed it, it is why in short I am revising you. Only a word's eye view. In a word's eye view, I am discussing it. Okay. Who is called the integral part of parliament? President. Right. Next is the maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 550, 530 for election through the state people and rest 20 from UT, I mean union territories. Reservation in early days, it means only for ST and SC. Nowadays, OBC and women reservation is not given. It is in pending, right? It is in pending. Now next is ऑल अबाउट द मेंबर्स ऑन टेन्योर, तो ये सब आपको ये क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, लोकसभा, ये आ गया आपका, अभी आपने डिस्कशन किया इसको। फिर राज्यसभा स्पीकर कितने साल के लिए, 5 years नाउ। So this type of question can be asked, who preside over the meeting of Lok Sabha speaker. In this way, this type of question can be asked. Okay, now I am going to give you the link for the test. Okay, so please you do it. Have you seen it? Right through your chat box. Okay, no. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. Have you seen? It will come. Just now I have given you. Some of you are writing. Have you saw? Have you seen? Have you seen? Yes, very good. Open this link and start writing answer. You have sufficient time. You will not share your answer. Again, I am requesting you to turn on your video. This is a last snapshot for attendance because many of you are the latecomer. Let me to take a snapshot. All of you turn on your video. Turn on your video option. Shreya Seli, Harsha, Shreyam, Prachi, all of you turn on your video option. Mitali, have you not got? Have you got Mitali? I have already sent for everyone. Okay, thank you. Do it. All of you open the video option. Ankit Thokan, Kumar Aditya, Shreyang, turn on your video option. सबको अपना वीडियो खुला रखना है. Let me to see. Yes, you can add the HTTP also. जिसका नहीं खुल रहा है वो पूरा लिख सकते हो वेबसाइट का लिंक का. If you have any problem, you can write. You can communicate me. So, Shreyang, you have written your link is not opening. Select it properly and open it.